Hey guys, they call me El Patronn.
They call me My Car Guy Road.
And guys, what we're doing here at Brooklyn Mitsubishi is a little different than any other dealer. Okay, any vehicle you purchase, whether it's new or pre-owned, whether it's a BMW M3, okay, we're giving you tire and wheel protection included in the price.
What does that mean?
That means basically, as many times as you bent your wheel or you break the tire or you blow up the tire, they're gonna replace it with zero deductible, guys. That's right, zero deductible, regardless of what the car, what make it is. It's exclusive of Brooklyn Mitsubishi, so you already know.
Hey,
Right?
tires are really expensive, and here in New York City, a lot of potholes really damage your vehicle tires, and your rims can get bent or cracked. So what we're doing right now is an advantage game changer why you want to purchase your next vehicle at Brooklyn Mitsubishi.
So be ready for the winter. You don't have to worry about it. Zero deductible. They'll come fix it. They'll replace the wheel, whatever it is that needs to be done on the car. Included in every deal, guys. Let's do it. We make it happen.